man 4 year 4 more for Nana what they say 10 years more for Collins campaign cause
that's it asala no ma menchia santimai na menchia otikoko so na say to the second na make say na machia party penny for regional chairman aban penny for regional minister KM boss and mention of addition from polling stations chairman for council of elders mechia obibia na machia insha FM so July for any TFO na minyan Mysteria College me no special arrangement into mechia o man of
na no me can say man for say 10 years for Collins because you say wo kwan nyame adom sisi ade watimi aye dodo no aguso o must stop here na say you are not construction yet part of the lockdown but so far progress is causing
well so far majority say so good coronavirus and as COVID-19 couldn't stop mention health from enjoying massive infrastructure development. Na eguso ayekoso mene o kase contractors no 3 and the striker.
Okay.
So year juma.
Okay.
Mene o kase ya ohemu kuma se de me ho na metimi akase contractors be num. No mu nyina year juma. Na se mene o kase mi nsa guso a mo year juma. Nti airport runabout Edukosi Estate Junction Atachi contractors omo egusu omo ye adwuma sisi kra no don say hono ye dual carriage enti omo wie ba ko no kra mienu no omo wie ba ko de omo be se na otwi kra ye bie ni kakra ba he se be bie ni fully se ne be omo betumi apply sa route no na pressure war moshizongo ina rose no through ye nyaso no na conform kakra Bishop Construction Limited so many o ka say asphalt overlays no mo guso a o mo dukro from a in fact constituency ni mo ofeye be hunu say total transformation and contractor construction UK firm almost so na almost see airport no modern airport no omo kasa so ye adwuma me no kasa ko from ni ye nyanso nyina no omo guso a omo ye dreams na ekoso kama enna omo de no atofom kakra DHL company omo na ye Chinese for na no mo ye estate ni nyina no na what happened is that omo kasa omo kwa di afashe or China. Unfortunately, Hubei province and one honor see na a COVID-19 outbreak no share no hono musu international say mienu na kokemu ho na mienu na kokemu but oba no enyine de menene she's in Ghana the ehekwa ebe fa so a se omo be cheni ebetima dane amobi a ne ho odin na wato aso a na wontem ama estate odi fetch kwa efla inside one kasa kwa babesi part of South Africa yeah
na me fie anim ho bila ho no jata area ho meza pia gusu area o maye cause me fa ho chekakra
I say ho no so ho no podie problem is so kese because already gains and na ya fail coin so kakra nti hono unlike would free be like ho South Africa station hono but as we speak my member Yunia Penny Gambra so abaso
okay
urban director Ashanti region only urban rose director KMA Yunia Nanapoku Atapoku but juma no credit back up na we juma ekoso nyina ye nyina o mama na ye mre so amame is say having done my part as the lobbyist for my people a minister responsible for roads and highways, Honorable Amuakwanta, or Abame constituency 4 times. And yes, four times. I'm on one Casadi Nemi Behe. I can say, Bosch now share before the appointments committee, say, Obehe, no, see, Makwano, who almost say promise fulfilled. Inti meti mi akase almost so one Ghana mampanyini asida kese ne de ema won ekwan ne egusu a eye the lovely company ono nso so ewo kilometers a all year ewo mention enough.
Okay,
so almost so aba site ma omo no de eye ne say omo be ye 1 kilometer ifi nana fodo ho ebebo awuramu aba besi choko ho etwam dia call rooftop. No, at the churros, a quite bankrofu nim. Already, the Miakasama Kohoma slams or honey, 1 more day kills in maybe acquisition. So, be a new free almost what I say, it be a ye. A cabin because contract another site. I'm a mere runs, including 2 engineers, urban roads. We are on no say call a year quarry. Quarry need to ye could 2.5 kilometers be all. Send a bear who rap quarry crew no dear no yams from Kumbeba. Then again, so near the 1 kilometer be so up to a year Biasi new site ho. Aha, naturally, enclave Nina no Obien who said be Obetimia Case Yan Sheno in terms of road distribution. And you know, we are on course. I know your road infrastructure.
Of course.
When you come to health, education, and also so the brain is up.
I think say tatao, take you on a coin. Boja or Quinty, Yanyawa, Nasa, Yamiadom, there's been progress as you sign using the same platform. Now they can the other facilities in the Minister but then we will not look at it, but Quina Yaka Collins Bukrum Quayu Yamiadom at least it's important set here for who say Yampa Quina na ye can was a Municipio Frase. Na Penny Eto Quai Fernand B. Otra is it my time hotel if you can see and I walk on and one. I will see now Ochemagi be so last Sunday or framing. It was much of concern. Was say Omo say economy started the COVID, not even COVID, but omo ye anu no baby guso bisa ona say for temporary a free portrait about babu krumwa by stage and ona I say omo baby transfer asphalt abra gates ni nyina no ene nsuo na ewo ho ni na covered no mu nyanye. I don't know so we are aware
no I may aware what is happening is your challenge kakra because a kwai no any minister kasa minister buy no sa feeding said there be a dua carriage no kayam for estate junction pacho wutie
pa
nti won say wodi wura bokrum carpenter mu ho no na de na be single carriage.
Okay.
Aha nti no challenge on say o say either say you bunzongo nungu.
Okay.
Ana say you go filling station e o no ne market no you go kagu no so no if you wo so who said they anything aha until now no e kasa guso a cost because one managing here the assemble for crab beba and I was say because airport no this is the master plan. The master plan is that ultra modern airport aban ye sidiama Kumasi we are runway no better be runway nim kakra.
Okay.
Then you be aircraft akese no betima be land Kumasi.
Okay.
Until for the first time be a man for bit me no Lufthansa say be a Kumasi KLM. So who they mention Emirates. Just ni nyina ne say enya da bia na ye beba be fa kotoka. Akwa abrochire. It should be with Kumasi na opese those or call abrochira Kumasi ho na chesen kokko. So what we are doing now no when a year proper international airport. When we are done it's in the message say you because of that intino flight in Landia yan fan say so free boko it on Landia yearly mess one because of say a person be monintino. Ideally, no, sir, quina a free airport runabout, Ecosi Estate Junction, no. Yeah, an overpass, Pachuti in ye.
It's your power.
There are no better form, they are called a year dotty junction. No, yeah, then some so said they are not your canon. So, now, send your bear flipping more space to land. Next is a muna, not a casino.
Intimacy, all kinds of mobile from airport and about Dubukrum market or now the Korea carpenter for one. Is there assemblies of God outside you who are now Kubus, you more consume mess on? I want to be overpass.
SDO, no, there be Estate Junction one, Casababy, Tassi, for be
I. So I want to cry your my free dot ya, Baby, do Estate Junction. Yes,
and can only bet that from Pachuti.
Okay.
I want that for more. Yeah, overpass.
Okay.
Overpass. A bema tarmac na say a runway no. Be a beland and a ban anymore.
Oh, okay. As a this overpass here, airport, a runway no overpass as I'm near king.
I don't know can once say because of that in a bus road no. Road no emphasis, but rather than road in a better form.
A better form, okay.
Let's make more space. Yes.
Wow.
Now that is the master plan. Now, you do a carriage, you know, because of say in some kayo honotino. Yeah, nyabotre no so dey for beba.
Okay.
Microphone class that you already raise concerns. Me ko din komobi. No be mo say, hey, any honorable. And I'm saying the mummy nyabotre na ye nyina no say penny ye dia. Yenti ye ho say near beautify krono. Because as we speak, many Ministry of Energy edin kita ho de ndia mepe life bi etimedia ba be gu kwan ne so nti dra ni mena ke song kan ya ne dia na chese wotimi say Collins motorway pa ura mu obo mu ha. So that is my thinking now.
Okay, but enti omunya nye covered because of honsuo ho pa sa ho kakra no de bidu lemeso
opanyini ne kan now because of say your person kwan so demu no na hono original plan ye dual carriage ne kosi no na ye nyanye hono because e dey be ba bebu hono ye be ba bebu aye inti no to see bebu aye no already no na ye gata no ho dada. So what the company is supposed to do they say ye be team ye be tisa gata nim de da baby opanyine ne ka no na Lebanese ni dem son ko Indian but friend catch ne say only sa scraps no turn ho no free coin no
because ho ni nyina nsuo to ho nyina yiri
sure and a coin cry ye no ya ma coin mam sa scraps tantan no ngu coin no and no friend mo nyamo ma nti no me na che no say we are sure so baby but because of the lockdown in yema bi e koso ntino ama almost hwenhwe mu ekura o makakra but all the same na o say o timi free ho na ekwan ni mu da ho inti messe menu apanyin na bi say ne ho no me ne company no foreman no okita ho say e mo fa so tra nkosa because the bus had not sense you to erosion said the enya nim no that already got a yama it was it me tigata nim
exactly
yes ekosi ensuo mu ho ye tigata nim ye pa ansa antesa all the asphalt be guso a
ensuo no be fere huhuru ni nyina san e de akọ okay
back to square one
okay
me on the plan inclusive
yeah. But yeah, I think that is a concern because ye baby yi kwan ye nyanwe ni esan boka de asphalt begusi we esan ba be tutu then it's an impression say I hear kra ye nyama me ya
gata we ni mu ye no mo sa beti omo be gata ba ko won chen ha sani e be ya ensuo to a ebetinya besina ko na emeta kwan nim okay said ye omo aboa yen aye major works e wo CCC ho no.
Okay.
Because as we speak, CCC hold there. In fact, attach here no. Nyamisha.
It's great. Observer, member of parliament at the Mentionoff, Ora Collins Sousa Mankwa, on one vice chair at the committee, parliamentary select committee and interior and defense. Now, chair, vice chair, and now no more. Yeah,
parliament, parliamentary leadership. Me chairman of government assurance committee. Nafum.
Oh, I see.
Chairman.
Government Assurance Committee.
Exactly. And you know, say, yeah, who introduce me properly there. Attach me with Government Assurance Committee. Then you narrow it to Defense and Interior. And in this uncommon.
Oh, okay. You are right. That is chairman of Government Assurance Committee, and that of Interior and Defense, and so we are vice chair, right?
That's right.
That's it. Mobile Santimantem about 3 days ago, a follow up on COVID-19 areas are locked down. How far Bambo 4 ne Jumedia Abandia she Ekoso. Then what were your basic observations?
But that's it, yeah. Committee, select committee on defense and interior. Yaba Asante Mantem, shall say, Ewo and Crime, Mantem Nim. Nanina Alpha in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. And Yamamiasa, and near Trinidad so. This social impact, financial impact, that is the economic lives of the people. And security implications are a war. Nti uhwe mususu a mase baby on baso ko a eba ye bambo na ye fisemu a yen na ye hwe se enyama de ko yie no a ye wo oversight role over security agencies in this country, including law enforcement, a main law enforcement agency, they say Ghana Police Service. Military, Ghana Armed Forces, and immigration services and as officers, prisons services, security agencies in any leading National Peace Council, your oversight rule over them, and refugees board, Kahumbi. Now, and Ejina yenim se Ghana Mampenyine ono no yo sahene Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and the Chairman for National Security Council or the Daitis be a buy se a coronavirus ya a unity ewo wiase afana nyina megidi se hwehwe ekuta wiase. The world has come to standstill. Ebinko bi ma obia hwekwan abefa so be contain this deadly disease e wo ne kro Ghana mampanyine directives or outline ye no wa mananso o followed up to initiation of legislations imposition of the Restrictions Act 2020 Mijidi said known as a man illegal backing wo ensemu a ode ato yanim ne partial lockdown exercise air course no na eno na oma bambofo no tichu no say yembo bai na yenhwe say lockdown exercise air course sebi nipa no nyina be comply ye fe no compliance no ye be di so enti ye nyina ye gitum say ye nuano masoja for police for fire service immigration wo nyina obi ye adwuma e de boa na true me I say who watches the watchman na say who be here say yes so asabi yan ye gina ho ema nipa ewo amanfo no wo mrahye bedwam as lawmakers and at the same time representatives of the people no then na yeso ye be yes na ye be ya adwuma na ye de ahye won sa no boni but is a shared responsibility bakofo nchire down for police alone cannot do the job without the support of the public, without the support of the civilians. And now say military without the support of the civilians. Inti quite ben ye befa so ade di kan. Ye behwe say police civilian relations at say armed forces public no relations at say na ye cordial anya bi exercise a omu yi enipa no bi die okosroba form ensemone aye won say yare every society bia no there are deviants they would want to provoke security agencies no wabra ye nyina ye nim say partial lockdown as ye koso no there has been one or two announced minor scuffle via koso or mishaps via akoso between a civilian and a security officer wabra already see ye ewo ashama already see ye ewo tafo and abako besu see ye ewo kaswa if my memory serves me right 3 idea nyina no ya dia yes so na DC ane yeni abako police officer ono so owo me mpesa so yetafo pankro no ejidi says answer when are still under investigation it mean to make any prejudicial comment on it about no massa investigation no notwithstanding your ba asante mantem any asante mantem Suafo, the governor of the region, Honorable Simo Osemens, any police commander or Asante Mantem, Ghana Forces commander or no so Asante Mantem, Ghana National Fire Service, or no so Penina or Penina or Dawa no Asante Mantem. And prison service penina oda o mano e wasante mantem nyina ne committee ni yeshia e regional coordinating council na yetwato adwene regional minister my briefings about the happenings in the region we committee ni so express opinion as far as partial lockdown is concerned my commanders so no almost so church or madrid some of the challenges are almost go through anyhow best you bet me abwa na sebi juma ye die no see ye be boy a man for ban if you are bonny we hu no every pay no and also to adwene bebre na central force so e wo ho though normally Yananki she was an penny na Yananka closed doors, but this time around because of say Yariano Ubie Yabre na Yapasi Bois Ghana man penny na ye deep very soon conimintino and open discussions are the Jedison Central for Hosono or Mohuno said ye and said no isiko a fire. Eti Kofi Bisamia I am no cray. By monitoring about the share said yeah a soldier for no edi on Juma only police for no we ye fa montene kuma montene de nante empeso no bebre na ye ba be we ye e wo menhia no ma ye fe mu bukru mu ne musa be fa mo shizongo be ba be fa ye nya so kro from and ye business akọ airport ye dey a soldier for flight no na ba na ye kasa na for no and no na
among issues more be about 4 major cases the regional security council they told him say investigating alleged assaults and a few other issues are also update now say akwakusi saying obi a near Siabono media guy with Zero FM any DC any police no talk ni nyina mo take it kosi saying
Zero FM issue no popped up you deliberately on it. However, Minister Mayek no say more equity committee in place or say the report in the beba. Of course the findings bar and no nebema coin ama resecness so almost so actually on adwene and the afa home na we bibia yes so ya take matter no up nti not yet a cost no but so far any nyina each case bia no is being investigated nti enya dey say regional Minister Wadasu Debbie or name Penfor Nina no mama ye who say in this modern weather practice democratic policing, you know. Yabehe say obibia ntiatia obia fa hundie so. Nti na sana etie.
Mo findings near makakra mo ba behwe ye mu hu ye mo beka say exercise no partial log na e kosen.
Well, generally no now your discussion, especially the leadership of the committee, and the conclusion was that Kumasi, for that matter, Greater Kumasi no Jumedina ye cratching and crying. That was one of the key observations here. Notwithstanding, you can say Kumasi have less endowed communities, as in we were poor communities, compared to that of well-to-do communities. In terms of residential status, as an American. Really, to me, who say baby escafo no one. Not compliance no was so far.
You be an in the match them.
Be a match at them street in the as a ghost town. Oh, who know he or a major no, who know be a wood be moody, but oh, bo rabbe beer. Yan was rona. Utimi who say, what 2 years in Nippon that's would be she much as a next class at Main Street in normal Persian, almost a potemo bibria, not a hydrogen. Ne hydrogen. A class would be a near West Cry. Ojem maybe to say a year bukum, Joko, Diba Mamo Biho, now by large horses, so at the back of Babi or pig farms, and part of Nimaha. Na said the person
I see. Are there any recommendations?
So the recommendation, and say, don't forget, you have to generate a report to the plenary. Na Parliament are discussing. Notwithstanding, the recommendation based on the strict adherence to compliance is very important. One, I will see a few who say, baby, to the independent doors will be bring out or say security agency no more visible hopper. Na ye mama for no tea and near massy. Me jidi say regional minister me born about say o share sensitization program course public education course o kasa no ordinary to na interviews are ye ni na education
edos
no,
for regional minister he's been on point.
Yes.
On point.
Inti no credit back up. Eti you say e was so be aboa na de no si for mu yie. Oh, a call from now man for not say because we also found that acquired to say nipo bi no say ignorance say ye boapayo ayet so mu diabro yare na ye kan ho asem no mo je agudie and sometimes we share nipa bi omo so akọ school timi churchro na we share social media omo flooding with fake news any sensational stories na ayet say ade na hwehwe kura man bi omo hunu wo mani mi omo chi no na obi enfifrete no na ebi mo tikrom ha afa ne say oh na we obi kura de could you believe say you call regional coordinating council after the meeting we engage in family no me say bi omo ka che na say we dey escafo yare can you imagine hey ati be hwe mu din say oh na say we dey escafo yare enye nya me kra ka me bo sankrofo din kra mo obi ehunu o say say Kevin so mutio and I was surprised escafo yare o let me tell you at the end start here no now imported cases at least first to 9 cases in an imported cases I jitum say yenuanu mu a wo mo efri amanone bi te say United Arab Emirates, Germany, US, UK, France, and China, Omumum, and the Adiana Baye. Now, Adiana trigger to community spread, and that is more dangerous. Obin to Kwai, when you be, as we speak, Adiana started no fair, you know, and I'm no say, 313. And no cry, no. According to your contact tracing project, no. Half of any panel, as I say, no. Yes, I call you Momo Jamua, and no figure Nako say. So it tells you, say, there a credit Bessaba Beckham. But you now cry, yeah. And she said, Papa, on my penny, you, because we show more. Say, on my penny, one, he took a bold decision.
Yeah.
And now pressure ban, so say, a quaint beer, so need to now if free young when this walk around ever. Who uncle Ghana for now, or more China and that Oman Penny took a firm decision. He said, no way. You provide rather than you provide the woman with the needed logistics, including food. Near Momuska, and to Bakaya school for no and no more Ninano. Now buying Edisika Ekoko Mawomo to Ghana's embassy or China. Now, Maya Omo 8 years to an NDC for the Manubia. Woman causes a woman crop for no. And non send that we some mind no and a classical case is Italy. Because we be a province, a one city now. A US need Italy for those power. Because those exchange programs are all almost DNA university or on the doors. Enti ebasa no omo causes our students no including Spain. Now as we speak, Italy, Spain, omo ye badly hit by this deadly outbreak, coronavirus and I say COVID-19 way. US and there should be a cases as we speak. Nipa be over 82,000 and a woo. Nipa 82,000 a woo no kofi. Kumasi Sports Stadium we see hono, a bomb mapa day and they 40,000.
40,000.
Now Tino Nipa a walk Kumasi Sports Stadium mama ya ma. Na ya sign a time you know and I say I didn't cry na come. Edi nketwa ni bia waka ka ho. Nipa ya ma. Sa na o say utwe wadwene siso. Sa nipa we ni ya kan so mu nyina ewu. This year, yeah, cases no, over 1 million. Now, what he ho? Na Yankopon out there when you mobile, a bibrimuha. And now, Rita Tocha, Yareni Kun, Sabi, Amaya, Woma Bobra, Chesek, Fesicadi and Komu Bipa. Now, ye no, Adum Binti. Sabi, ye mo antia game, Yenina Adum Bio. And now, still, we are exposed. Especially politicians, we are the most vulnerable group as we speak.
One chair, the panel was also
children. May catch and make around a major any sanitizers, any Veronica buckets, any dustbin, any mamma, the stations, no, any from around Kokra, only widows association, a more Kakana, de Memo, and the initial Yansana. Lockdown, that was a Sunday, no. Na me yes, I didn't know omokwa yet will be up no more. Me see me ohana papa bako, chese. Obeba me a mi ready as no. Na kofi, and I me say, oh, openyini. Oh, na the way there yare obi anka dey afford for me home. And that is the center. Me yamu shimi because social distancing, we are not observing it. Eduani a Mame Bo a minister for gender and social protection or any able deputy a Juma woman yeno. In fact, any regional women's organizer and a regional organizer because me jitu say chema want to me so near bre. O near my o che de bois. Nina ne say ye per se sebi ye contain sa yare boni way na antiati say. Unim se kofi just this week. Onim say tafo. Nipa bia baba be hye ho. ama ye twitwa ne dindindin wanyabi.
I see. That is serious. How do you know so wanyabi?
Oh. Ehwehwemu ekoso no.
Because you are too emphatic. Also wanyabi. Mususu so wanyabi ana wanyabi.
The tie say test akoso.
Okay.
Oh. And you know, I know from what I say there could be mandatory testing. That was our area.
Because as I will be critique fear and panic, my home, your master
cannot say coffee. Yarea, ye can once and say, and yarea, and so more now a jam. Okay, I have survival of fittest.
And there is true.
Immune system, no, dear. Na de ya na ehunu se bia na chronic disease e bia na yare bi na crash eno na ya na ma di wa hwemu a tichu penifo no pad do na ya na ewu ni ade ade eno mo ho nya den but ahweyi die ya de ehia chen bibia prevention is better than cure. Now I know say nipa never pick intel from sa source no I heard say police fast china
or yes, somebody known what center on Wojani free Wabeshawa and answer Omoya Tessive or baby no Johnny Abeshaw.
Coffee Omo monitor will be a quarantine war.
Okay.
The number, they know the number. And it's about copy free more. Also,
and that is a serious breach. So be your quarantine center now, Utimi Adriani free ho.
Na Bobo Africa cases no so abe obesrewu ekrofo mi eza echi o moto wo Senegal bako yire nurse na chese wo ti eyi ne kiki na bi no nso do aso
o cancer will be abechewa yenya several course Bokrom estate estate junction where on your left so kakra esin kofo bi Nigerians, any other nationals, Abigua, Omoye, this baby, some money, baby.
Doctor,
yeah,
Doctor, so there's a case. And about 3 days ago, me namo MWA junction. Me koye sensitization program wo. I koche sanitizers wo PRC news site or MWA junction. On a picky internal with the man young free throw with the mini free form. But I know says uncle for the actual. I know.
Okay.
I know says uncle for the actual. But Bokrom Estate there or Pejadia Bay. Off my ending come.
Oh yeah, the details.
Yes, na because Kofi. I deal with it in Yame ne hu mobo because na yen ye defa ya hospital no cry yen yanko cry mo ko lebu ne siwa na ye mo na ko funi za ma
yeah minim sa
for no cha ye mo
no but sir minim Collins minim sa omo bet initially se na omo di bi aka ho a rage na best 4 any si ho konfanoche na best wo ho na enu even up to 5 enti we have a challenge.
As we speak,
yeah,
I know, say Aban at the best, including new hospitals.
Abekeka. In Bank of Ghana, other University of Ghana, hospitals now they are converting it into
medical centers. But what, as we speak,
yeah,
when it comes to health infrastructure, look, Italy is one of the best in the world. Italy. So who they do your research? But omumpo. Shwe kra wo amma nipa ewu awaye ma nipa gugu abontene. Yes. Inti emo obia ndada no and let nobody deceive us. Say near esi wa man bi so no. Cases no ko enimu no ebi ntimi isi wa ha de ye ka nyina ne se yesre mama ye take things for granted eno na yesre sisia eye ade a me de me bompa se nyame ohun ye nyina mo bo hu wiase mo bo not even one country because nyame hu Ghana for nko amobo na yare na ekoso ewo amanya akazo a we are not living in an isolated way.
Obviously there's nothing we can do.
Enti ade na ye kasusia no empire ye bon ye mbom empire say breakthrough bi mra na za breakthrough no yenya edura se ye de kan wa na chese ohun ato prekope enye se koda ye ma waduane ni ye ma onunum na ye nhwe se wa wo body na be responded to treatment enti ne se koba se be nkwamo ano ye no ni ahoden na chese wo kwa ano no, and that is serious. Enti eno na media me say and she say yeah, precaution measures are any tips, health tips are every day ye dey ba aban o mampanyini brano na waye televised national address na wa share yen sa ha na ye dru cases no say na do bambon she no say na tie kofi e wo say ye nyina ye diso e wo say security agencies orders are a free commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces by say your checkpoints, your entry points, official customs points are media bora or my way mu yen so see bit my body ora or my mono yen hwese ye ban yen hwese ye be making sure say the paboni fu bia fa yare ms sayen sa na obi so onye ni paboni fu le mu yare bi tetare no ho on fa nintansa ms sayen enti me am on record say o hwe baby etise pada ye official entry and honor between Ghana and Burkina Faso. And me and limited operation to only Paga. Yen Hamlet, yen Sala Sorono, and Sala district ono. Yen because the guy say Emra Burkina Faso a yinimu ye act of terrorism no. Kofube Kaya nipa bonifu bi benante soroho. Just say local people here be a man yen asuti. It is no say remote crossings no. Mama yen bom pempe. E ma obi nkogya da mu die ketewa bi. Na wonja obi mase bi. Onfa ne yare bi emesa yen. Yes.
Okay.
Sa pepe. Na ye aplawo ye between ye ni Togo. Yeso ho no. And also no there's a place. No there's a fall. Nkofo dware ho. Soldier for no ni nkoho ye.
Okay.
The people timi ebi we about this Togo for ni bi dware de bagana na Ghana for ni bi so timi dware e de koho. On approve news na Burkina share ne so no elugbo ho mo hwe ho. O fa sunya ne pese o de ko Abidjan a. O mo hwe ho nyina maye eye o se kwajo krom gono krom ho nyina. So these are all remote crossings are. Ye ma bambo mu nye dene. Obiama ne ni na ho social distancing no key.
Okay. Okay. Honorable Collins Osman Kwai, member of Parliament, Edema, Wadeshe woman shan of government chairman for government assurance, right?
Yes.
And now Usaya vice chair, Edema government parliamentary select committee on interior and defense.
Member ECOWAS parliament.
ECOWAS parliament. I will be the above Facebook so go be Collins Pefu su kra do.
So we dey jam kata. You mention no for fans.
Anyway.
Kofi enough of
no cra and is true.
You know, you mention no for fans.
Finally, minim say aban donations are all ye minim say MPs indirectly more air coordinate bibi kakra mo mpesua so more vulnerables e wo ho mo zongo ni miamia bebre won e kom do mo doso won sa kan mo de
enra also pro interventions ne doso here what the central government presidential food supply a program no na no Panyini in his own wisdom. Pese ye beye bibia ama yourself. Pese bibia ama yourself. No, ye clergy. Aso for ne imams no penfor no or mumu na coordinate no. So the meche no. We tacit support from their members of parliament. Because we MP sabi ujina homa nipa nyina. Unyina homa FB. Ujina homa mpesua nyina so. No nti kwan bi also otimi hwe na wa manfo ne titu the vulnerables. So they now work on those who destitute in our communities. So Uncle Ford no. Kwan be ne befa so asabi. Almost abeko wano ebra hwehwe ekura yen no ye one. It is our program no ekoso. Then again no depots ahodo no kakra. I'm sure. The operational wise no. Ghana man pension ka yentimi feed nipa over 400,000 bia. Yesusu say yana ifie din. It is our program no ekoso. Then again gender and social protection ministry. And so and then I may bo me aba honorable Cynthia Mamle Morrison one me aba Frida Prempe abaso ne regional women organizer abaso no so almost so through certain intervention no aduane no bebre koso nra chi answer na parliament here for ya quickly my bank cry Sepebu Krum, Krofro, Moshizongo, areas be or two and if you are what you say property no kakrapa. A whole yamin said Biane, no, ya Pochebi, and ya Hong Kong. Yankopo Yaduma and ne, the Betchin Miani be at the Ama or more money be. Meaning, say, Mianimeno Castle, meaning, say, and then Miani be Bessa. Apart from that, no, meaning say back rounds na yasa check community by community. Kakra yensan so no. My man number na one way uncle for the boom on the phone this. But I know that it's big. Packaging is very big. The man kushia ye bema emo ye bema anwa ye bema a bia beans ibi. White beans no ye bema tomato paste bebre ni sa ne man ye be che bebre no ewo na me say gusua che sanitizers no. Okay. No they me personally because me procure over thousands of sanitizers. Okay. Me ton wa donko hokra no enye sika ketwa. Sana de me di fin kan eso so ba ye bebre. Enti no so cost.
Okay. Collins, and pay very extensive discussion on broad areas. Yeah, better was it. Bibinia and pay Besatun Safro. Jina Sona Emma or some update our issues bia Yabobo Sono our off air. Better was a palm. I was for 47 minutes past 7 live on Ishra 104.5 FM. Collins, Uzwaman Kwaya, member of parliament at the Mention of now Moten and Kano on